When I think of a horrible IVR experience, I think of when the pandemic started and filing for unemployment or filing a claim was my own version of purgatory. I remember so many times trying to call them to try and get on hold with like a normal person. And I remember trying to type in those numbers to try and access your account, or to try and type in your social security number, hitting the star and the pound button what seemed like 10,000 times within a call was just absolutely infuriating. And I remember calling a couple separate times only to be in a waiting queue for what seemed like maybe 3 to 4 to 5 hours, and only for it to get to that automated voice that says something along the lines of, do you want to hang up the phone and have somebody call you back if you like put yourself in line, or do you want to continue staying online in the hope that you could possibly reach someone? And when it's like that, like, that's a gamble. What do? Do I take the chance of staying on hold for what could possibly be another 3 hours, or do I want to put my name down for them to try and give me a call, which could be a risk too? So filing for unemployment and calling unemployment agencies to try and, do all that was absolutely horrific, and I do not wish that upon anybody.